With capacities that can accommodate 10,000 pounds or 4,500 kilograms, PT platform scales provide a durable weighing solution for industrial, manufacturing, commercial, and mining applications. Rugged construction and low-profile design simplify loading and unloading pallets, crates, and large containers. Perfectly sized for a pallet, the PT can be situated in a recessed pit. Optional ramps provide easy access and are tailor-made to fit the exact size of each platform. PT platform offers features to help increase stability and ensure safety. For improved traction, the large steel base contains a diamond plate textured surface. 4 sturdy leveling feet are adjustable to compensate for uneven weighing surfaces. The PT is supported by a reinforced frame beneath the platform, allowing the scale to accommodate substantial loads. The PT comes with a 10-foot-long shielded cable and is compatible with a variety of indicators, including Adam Equipment's GK or AE402 indicators. The AE402 indicator is constructed of stainless steel and is sealed for use in dusty or wet environments. The GK indicator offers a full keypad for entering preset pairs or samples for parts counting. Approved PT platform scales are ideal for use in legal for trade applications. Models are available with NTEP, NRCS, and EC type approvals for the United States, Europe, and South Africa. Strong and reliable PT platform scales capably perform heavy-duty weighing and counting tasks in demanding settings worldwide.